Question number 19. Two wires P and Q made out of the same material. Same material is what? Young's modulus is the same. Are stretched with an increasing force. Okay. The force is seen to be increasing. Okay. A graph is plotted with the variation with force of the extension on each wire. Okay. Wires have the same original length but different diameters. Same original length. L is same. Different diameters. D1 and D2 are the diameters. What is the ratio of the wire Q divided by wire of P? Okay, fine. Now what we do is, what is Young's modulus? We'll start from here. Young's modulus is nothing but force per unit area divided by increase in length by original length, stress by strain. Okay. So towards it, what is force? See, force is same for both of them. 2 Newton only. Remember, it's in x-axis over here, right? So therefore, it's same. So I will now write this for wire P. Let me say this is for wire P and write F1 by A1, X1 by L1. This should be equal to F2 by A2 divided by X2 by L2 to make it easier for us. Okay. Now what we will do is, we know that F is same for both of them, right? 2 Newton only. So this 2 cancels. Then length is same. I already done original length. So L1 and L2 also cancels. So what do we have here? We have 1 by A1 divided by X1 is equal to 1 by A2 divided by X2. Okay. And what is A1 and A2? Pi r square, area, right? Area, which is pi r square. Okay. So therefore, now what I will do is, I will write this as 1 by A1 X1 is equal to 1 by A2 X2. Okay. Now what do I need? I need diameter of Q. Where is diameter of Q? This is diameter of Q, which is A2, right? So therefore, I will take A2 by A1 is equal to X1 by X2. What is X1 by X2? X1, what is X1? Extension of P. X1 means P here, right? P, where is P here? P is this one here, which should be 3, divided by what is X2? X2 is 1 over here. Okay, I need not convert anything. It's the same. Okay, units are same. So ratio, right? So this goes away. So you get the answer is 3 here. What is A2? Pi r2 square divided by pi r1 square is equal to 3. Pi goes away. R2 by R1 is equal to root 3. Okay, and this is the same as diameters also, because R2 divided by 2 times R2. If I multiply this by 2 times on both the sides, this becomes D2. So D2 by D1 is also equal to root 3. So the answer is C over here. Okay.